Hello friends, I am dietitian Rashmi Sethi. Hope you all are doing healthy. November is celebrated as the National Diabetes Month and 14 November is celebrated as a National Diabetes Day. So this month I will be trying to cover few aspects related to diabetes, like what exactly is diabetes, what happens when a person is diabetic, what are the complications, what are the symptoms, and so on. So today I would be talking about what exactly is diabetes, what happens inside our body when there is lack of insulin, which usually happens in diabetes, and what are the complications. So let's see. Now, what exactly is diabetes? Diabetes is a condition where either there is no insulin produced inside the body, or if it is produced, the body is not able to utilize it properly. Insulin is basically a hormone which is secreted by the beta cells in the pancreas. And whatever we eat, whatever food we eat, it is broken down into the smallest particle or the minutest particle called as glucose. And this glucose is continuously revolving. It is present inside our blood. Now, why we need glucose? It gives us energy. We need energy for everything, right? From raising our hands, writing, walking, cycling, all the activities we do. And why insulin plays the key role? Because it allows this glucose to enter inside our blood cells and thus give us energy. So now we know what is insulin and how it plays the key role. Now let me make it a little simple. In the picture, we can see that the glucose molecules are present in the blood. And on the right hand side are our body cells, which has locks on it. Now for the glucose molecules to enter inside the body cells and give us energy, the locks need to be opened. And here insulin plays the key role. It opens the locks and allows the glucose molecules to enter inside the cells, the body cells, and thus give us energy. This is what happens when the mechanism is normal, when there is enough insulin produced inside the body and the body is utilizing it in the right way. Now what happens in a person who is diabetic, or in a person where the body is not able to produce enough insulin? The person is eating food, right? So there is glucose present inside the blood cells, and on the right we can see the body cells, they have locks on it. But because there is not enough insulin produced inside the body, there aren't enough keys to open the locks and allow the glucose to enter inside the cells. So what will happen in such a person, or a diabetic person in this case? Though the person is eating food, he may not feel energetic. He may feel there is lack of energy. Why? Because of the simple reason that though he is eating food, enough amount of glucose molecules is not able to enter inside the cells and give him energy, right? So this is what happens in a diabetic person. Many of you all must have heard the term from your doctor or from your friends कि मैं बॉर्डरलाइन डायबिटीज़ बोला है डॉक्टर ने, दवाइयों की ज़रूरत नहीं है, या इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस इज़ अनदर वर्ड विच इज़ कॉमनली यूज्ड. नाउ व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज़ बॉर्डरलाइन डायबिटीज़, या ये क्या होता है? Here the blood glucose values are high, but they are not high enough for a person to be termed as a diabetic, right? Now here we can see that the person is eating food, so there is glucose inside the body. On the right hand side, the cells are there with locks. But what is here? The locks are sealed with something. Now what exactly is that something? These are the fats, right? So even if there is enough amount of insulin present and the glucose is there inside the blood, the insulin is not able to open the locks to allow the glucose move inside the body cells, right? What do you think about this condition? Is it reversible? Is it not reversible? What do you all think? Yes, it is reversible with proper lifestyle management. If you eat proper food, a balanced diet, if you exercise properly and maintain a good lifestyle, this condition can be reversed. Because as you lose weight, or as your body loses fat, the seal will be removed, the locks will be opened by the insulin present and the glucose will move inside. Thus the normal mechanism will start. So yes, जब आपके डॉक्टर कहते हैं कि बॉर्डरलाइन डायबिटीज़ है और वो ठीक हो सकता है, वो ज़रूर हो सकता है, पर इसके लिए आपको मेहनत करना है. इट इज़ यू हु हैव टू ईट प्रॉपर फूड, प्रॉपर take a balanced diet and exercise properly. And yes, borderline diabetes or insulin resistance is a condition which can be reversed. Now let's talk about different types of diabetes. Type 1 diabetes. This is usually seen in the younger age group like small children, teens and young adults. But yes, it can develop at any age, right? So please do not mistaken it with a birth defect or a condition which occurs right from birth. No, it can be seen at any age or it can develop at any age, but yes, usually seen in the younger generation. It is less common than type 2 diabetes, and the treatment, because there is no much or no insulin produced inside the body, these people are usually dependent on insulin throughout their life. So yes, this is what is type 1 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes. Now, type 2 diabetes is usually seen or most commonly seen in people above 45 years of age. But nowadays, because of improper eating habits, lack of physical activity, a very sedentary lifestyle, the younger generation is also seen developing type 2 diabetes. That is, it is seen in younger generation also. Here, the body is still producing some insulin, but is not able to utilize the insulin properly, right? So people with type 2 diabetes may be treated with oral hypoglycemic agents, that is oral medications, or insulin, or a combination of both. Now, how to manage type 2 diabetes? With proper eating habits, eating a balanced diet, or exercising properly and maintaining a good lifestyle are the key factors which can help people manage diabetes better. Another type of diabetes is called as gestational diabetes mellitus or gestational diabetes. It is usually seen during pregnancy and diagnosed during the first trimester of pregnancy. What happens in gestational diabetes? The blood glucose levels of the pregnant female or the pregnant mother are on the higher side. Now, the good thing is that for most of the females after delivery, the blood glucose levels goes back to normal. But if it doesn't go back to normal, then these females will be termed as type 2 diabetics. Yes, even if they go back to normal, if proper care is not taken or proper lifestyle is not maintained, then the chances of these females getting into type 2 diabetes in the later years of their age is very, very high. So today, we saw what exactly is diabetes and what happens inside the body of a diabetic person. We also spoke about different types of diabetes. In my next video, I'll be talking about knowing your blood glucose numbers and how you can use these numbers to manage your diabetes better. Please do tell me in the comment section whether you would like to know or like me to talk about anything in specific about diabetes or anything in specific about any other topic. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my video. So eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye.